What's up guys, it's me Gmagic. If you love using maps, Google Map, then you should also give a try to Apple Map. Okay, so let's find like, for example, one chai station, for example, something like that. Okay, here's the one chai station. The map, I think that the map is a little bit better than the Google Maps. And then don't use location. Yeah, I mean, it were quite good. You can say transfer satellites, let's search the satellites. It were quite good to be on 3D. Let's go to 3D. It were quite good to be honest with you. Yeah, it was me, Gmagic. Subscribe and bye.